Hello kids, welcome to our magical egg surprise. Today we have a basket full of colorful eggs. Let's pick an egg, crack it, open and see what surprise is hiding inside. Are you ready? Let's go. Red, apple, blue, blueberry, green, kiwi, yellow, banana, orange, orange, black, blackberry. Thank you kids. For more videos, like and subscribe my channel.